Okay, so once you press the software update button, you take you through to this page. So on the top one there, you just need to swipe that across or click on it and turn it on. You'll get this pop-up page. You click on allow. And then a few seconds later, if you just wait, you'll get this screen pop up. Now what it's doing is asking permission to take screenshots. So don't press anything yet, because what you need to do is teach the software how to get rid of this. So every time the phone gets restarted, this will pop up each time. Obviously you don't want the user to see this, so what you got to do is actually click on the start now button and then click again almost exactly where that button is, so you're teaching the software how to get rid of this page. So if you press start now and then again press the screen again once it's disappeared, so I'll show you. Start now and again in the same spot, and you'll see that the software records where that tap was, and then a few seconds later that would go. If you get anything pop up asking for permissions, just allow them. We can check if that's worked, so you can either restart the phone after we've done all the installation, or if you want to test it now, what you can do is, if you just come out of the screen first, so let's go back, and then if I click on software update again, this time I'm going to turn it off. You don't have to do this, this is just to test it. I'm going to turn it back on again. This screen won't pop up again, so you don't have to worry about this, it's the next one. Press allow if you just wait. See the way that popped up and then disappeared instantly? Because the software was actually turning it off. So we tested it's working, it's fine. So next thing to do is come back out this, so use the back button, press the back button again, and keep, if it doesn't take you straight here, just keep going back until you get to this screen where it asks you to activate. So I'm going to activate this device, activate this software rather, and now you'll be taken to the battery settings page, and again we just want to keep going back until we get to your account number. So back again, and there we go. It might take more times than I just took then, but keep going back till you get this here. So this will be your code, obviously not this number, this is from my phone, but the code showing on the phone you installed it on, you need to write that number down. This box will never pop up again, so you don't have to worry about that, but make sure you make a note before you press the close button. Okay, the software is installed, but you must finish the rest of the setup, otherwise the software will stop working after a short amount of time. So do make sure you carry on with the rest of the guide before you hand the phone over.